Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creation Addiction. In today's video I'm going to be making a tres leches Dominican cake. I'm going to be showing you step by step how we make it in the Dominican Republic. I hope you enjoy this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For the ingredients, you will need regular milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, regular sugar, powdered sugar, vanilla, heavy whipping cream, 3 eggs, flour, and butter. First, separate the egg whites from the 3 egg yolks and put them in separate bowls. Then, using either a hand mixer like the one I'm using or an electric mixer, beat the egg whites on high until they start to form soft peaks. It takes a couple of minutes, so make sure to be patient and take your time. For the recipe, you need 1 cup of sugar, and at this point you can take half of that and add it to the egg whites and continue beating the eggs until it's mixed. Put the egg whites aside and then take the 3 egg yolks and add 1/4 of a cup butter that is already softened, so it should be at room temperature, and mix it together. After about 3 minutes, add the rest of the sugar and continue mixing it until the mixture gets sort of frothy. Add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I usually just eyeball it, but you probably want to measure it. Don't do what I'm about to do in this video. What you will actually do is you will sift together 1 1/3 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then as you are mixing the egg yolks, sugar, and butter mixture, you want to add the flour in slowly. It's also probably easier if you mix that batter by hand, or if you have the pieces for your blender that are flat, like the silicone tool that I have in my hand right now. Otherwise it'll get stuck like what happened to me there. Now, either using the flat piece of your mixer or the silicone tool that I have there, you want to mix in the egg whites to the batter in thirds. You don't want to just turn it and mix it. You kind of want to fold the liquid into the batter. Pour the batter into another pan that has previously been buttered and floured, and then put the batter into the oven at 350 degrees. Once the knife entered in the center of the cake comes out clean, the cake will be ready. It's about 30 minutes or so. While the cake is in the oven, you can make the milk filling that's going to go in the cake. You will need 1 cup of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup of condensed milk, 1/2 cup of low fat or 1% regular milk, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can mix it all together. It doesn't matter any order the way you pour it. And once it's mixed together, place it in the fridge while you wait for the cake to cook and cool. Once the cake is done and has cooled down, you want to take a fork and just poke holes all over the top. I also like to scrape the brownish crust off the top so that it's a little softer when I'm actually eating it, because sometimes the crust on top of the cake gets kind of hard. In this video, I didn't show cutting off the top part, but I ended up cutting off the entire top part. Add the milk mixture until it cannot soak up anymore, and then place both things back in the fridge. Make sure to check on the cake every hour or so to continue adding milk until the cake is fully condensed in milk. Cool the mixing utensils in the freezer for about 10 minutes. In order to do the decoration, you will need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. First, you want to beat the heavy whipping cream until it forms peaks. That process is going to take you a few minutes, so you have to be patient. Now add in the powdered sugar, but be careful not to overmix it, otherwise it'll turn to butter. Once the milk has been all soaked into the cake, you can decorate by adding the frosting. I also like to add some strawberries at the top to make it look nice. I'm not a cake decorator, so this doesn't usually come out perfect to me, but I just care about how it tastes, not how it looks, because I usually just make it for us. But you can decorate it however you like. Once you add all the frosting and decorations, make sure to chill it in the fridge for about 10 more minutes before actually serving. So that's how I make a tres leches cake. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.